Hi again, everybody. It's Sunday, September 19th, 2021. Hope you watched yesterday's video. Gave out some important information on the new Cosmodyne indicator for Ninja and showed how well it works on a 30-minute chart for identifying the bigger swings intra-week. So what I've done on this chart for today is put a roadmap together for the coming week ahead. I have the Cosmodyne map overlaid on the Astro Excel on the 30-minute chart, and we've rolled to the December contract as of yesterday. So let's take a look at what we got going here. Okay, on the Astro Excel, where you see the vertical line here, this is the Friday to Sunday cutoff point. You see the closed in trading on the last bar there, where we closed just right about on the low. As we come back into the week, I drew the trend on the green line in red. The bigger trend, the bias is up into the middle of the 21st. Then it heads back down to the area of 1900 on the 21st. Then we move back up for a few hours, not very long, and then we kind of have a flat sideways into the 22nd until we turn down about 12:35 in the afternoon. And that takes us down to about 1 a.m. Then we go flat green line again until about 1400 on the 23rd, and then we head up into the end of the week on Friday's close. So that's kind of the larger picture. Now we have to operate with the blue line in between. So what I did on the blue line, I drew red trend lines on the blue lines where the blue and green are in sync directionally. You always want to look where those are in sync, but you have to realize that the market will track this blue line. So where the blue line turns down on the 22nd, where I have my cursor around 8 a.m. here, the market may trade down from 8 till it bottoms out here at almost 11 o'clock and then starts to head back up again. But when these two lines are in sync, usually pretty good. You also have to pay attention to the areas where the blue line crosses the green. Those are often pivot points, so you got to pay attention to that. Now what I've done up here on top, I've put blue vertical lines in on the Cosmodyne spikes and also on the blue line peaks and valleys, the most important ones. So those are your really important intra-week turning point areas, especially where we get the Astro Excel in sync with the Cosmo. So I'm going to leave this chart as it is, and as the week plays out, we'll keep our eye on this and how these turn times are working. So this is how you set this up in advance. Once you utilize these tools for a few weeks and you see, learn how to use them and you get them embedded in your brain, like everything else, you have to make it your own. You have to internalize this to make it work for you. But once you do, you are going to be a trader who can absolutely kill the market. So this is critical. Watch my video from yesterday. Look at how those Cosmodyne trigger points worked on the 30-minute chart. I really honestly don't know if there's anything better out there that you could possibly find that works better than the tools we have here at the Perfect Storm. So I'm going to leave it there. We'll follow this out through the week. I'll be back Monday morning. We'll take a look at what we got setting up, specifically for that day. We'll also take a look at Astro Excel on a shorter frame. We'll take a look at it on the 3-minute chart where we get a little bit of a tighter view. This 30-minute frame gives us a nice view of a little bit of the bigger picture. The 3-minute chart we can fine tune. We can even throw in the gray line and use that for some intraday trigger points as well. So we'll be back Monday. We'll take a look at Monday and we'll take a look at the Vedic, see if we have timing windows, and then we'll go from there. Take it a day at a time. We'll see you then.